Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite cat web channel Quantifiers. So in today's DILR set, we are going to discuss a very good DI set based upon permutation and combinations and somewhat arrangements also. So before we move to that, it is a description of the courses that we provide for CAT. These are some of the most affordable courses and our new batch is going to start super soon. So if you wish to join us, you can join us with the link in the description. Let's see what the set is all about. So it says there are 5 parties A, B, C, D, and E contesting in an election. There is a bet on the probable winner. As per the betting rules, if a person bets on the winning party, he gets 5 times the amount. If his party came second, he gets two times the amount. If third, he get back the amount, exact amount, and if it is fourth or fifth, he forfeits the amount. So there are 5 parties A, B, C, D, E. Now in these 5 parties, let's say I am betting rupees 1000 on A. So if A comes first, I will get 5000. If A comes second, I will get 2000. If A comes third, I will get 1000 in back return, just my money. And if it comes fourth or fifth, I will get 0 rupees. So these are the basic conditions that I have, right? Let's move ahead. वो कहते हैं यार फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछता है देयर आर अशोक बेट्स 5000 ऑन ए 3000 ऑन बी एंड 1000 ऑन डी सो ए बी सी डी आपके पास पार्टीज है अब सी उसने बताया हुआ सेकंड आई है सी इज द सेकंड पार्टी which means just to recover his amount he needs to win something he needs to be in the top ranks okay in order to recover otherwise his money will go back ठीक है अब उसने 5000 लगाया ए पे 3000 लगाया बी पे एंड 1000 लगाया डी पे राइट सो द एक्सपेक्टेड रिटर्न फॉर हिम इज 5 ऑफ लेट्स से x plus y 5 of x plus y this is the only way he can win ठीक है because twice amount is already taken by C and he has not invested anything in C. Now can I replace any of these variables here and can get the amount? See, if it is getting 5 times or it is getting 5 times, I am anyways not getting anything. So 5 times वाला तो मतलब ही नहीं होता. If this is getting 5 times 5000 plus I need 3000 in how much I need return? 4000 in return. I need 4000 more, which I cannot get in any case because I will just be getting my money back. So I am also not getting in this case. So there is no possible case in which I can get my money returned. Okay, so there is zero number of ways. There are zero number of ways. Okay, let's discuss the second question. The second question says Soumya bets rupees 8000, 5000 and 2000 on BCD in no particular order. So B, C, D, 8, 5 and 2 in no particular order and gets a 20% return. 20% return means 15 का 20% is 1 by 5 which means 3000 return मिलेगा उसको ठीक है so 15000 investment 3000 return the total कितना हो गया the total is 18000 the total she is getting is 18000 so I know that he has definitely bet something on C so let's say out of this if I have to optimize my chances of see 16 plus 2 is directly 8 so if I just invest 8000 on this so I will get 16000 and let's say on D it invested 2000 and it came third so she will get she will get 2000 return and let's say on B she invested 5000 and B got a rank of 4th or 5th in that case she will get 18000 which is my required money so what is the best possible rank for party E so second rank third rank party E can still get the first rank so the best possible rank for party E is first rank in any other scenario. Okay. Okay, so the answer is this. Let's move to the third question. Varsha bets 500 rupees on 3 parties and get return of at least 100%. Now when we say at least 100% means अगर आपने 1500 रुपए लगाया तो आपको 1500 तो कम से कम वापस मिले हैं means you have won at least 3000 rupees. Okay, and or more 3000 या 3000 से ज्यादा. So which three parties first of all, and also we have to ignore the condition of C. So basically I have to ignore everything. I just have to ensure that she is getting at least 3000. I can ignore any of the thing. Which three parties she will bet on? First of all, I have to select those three parties. So out of 5, those three parties can be selected in 5C3 or 10 ways. There are 10 ways in which he can select, or she can select 3 parties. Now, let's say 3 parties are selected as ABC. ठीक है, मैं इन पे काम करता हूँ, जो भी मेरा रिजल्ट आएगा into 10 कर दूंगा, everything will be sorted. Now, what are the cases of getting 100% result, or what are the total cases anyway? First case can be all win. All the parties she selected are in the top 3 and she's getting all the returns. Second case can be 2 win, 1 lose, and the third case can be 2 lose, 1 win. These are the 3 cases. Let's talk about the first case, all parties win. So if all the parties are winning, the 3 parties she chose, all the parties are winning, can I say first rank, second rank, third rank? These parties can be arranged in 6 ways. Once the parties are selected, these parties can be selected in 6 ways. This is one possibility. And the 2 parties which are not selected, let's say D and E, which are not selected, can I say they can be selected, they can be placed on 4th or 5th spot in 2 ways. ठीक है, या तो D यहाँ पे आएगा, E और vice versa. So the total number of arrangements in all win case are 6 into 2. That is 12 arrangements. There are 12 ways in which she can select. Okay, in the first case. So first case is sorted. Into 10 obviously. वो मैं लास्ट में एक साथ ही कर लूँगा सारी parties के लिए. 12 ways are here into 10 obviously. Now 2 win and 1 lose. So 2 parties are winning here and 1 party is losing here. So if 2 parties are winning and 1 party is losing, so which means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First spot, second spot, and third spot. Okay, she has invested 500 each. Let us say she has won over 500 and 500. So she will get 1000, and here she will get 500. So the return in this case is 1500. Which means in order to get 100% result, she has to get one party on rank 1. उसको किसी भी एक पार्टी को तो rank 1 पे लाना ही पड़ेगा. In that case only she can win 100% return, at least 100% return. So ठीक है. One thing is clear that I need to place one of my parties at this. So if one of my parties is placed here, 500 into 5, I will get 2500 definitely. Now, can I say if my second winning party lies on any of the 2 spots, I will be getting at least 500? Which means मेरी पहली इन 3 जो selected party है उनमें से कोई एक तो first spot पे आनी चाहिए, लेकिन जो बाकी 2 parties हैं वो चाहे second पे आए चाहे वो third पे आए, मेरा काम बन जाएगा. Which means now my only task left is arrangement. Let us see how I can do that. Let us say I have selected one party, ABC 3 parties I have selected out of 5 and 10 ways. Now out of these 3 parties, one party has to come at rank 1. So this is rank 1, this is rank 2, this is rank 3, rank 4 and rank 5. So one party has to come at rank 1. So number of ways in which I can select the party to come at rank 1 is 3C1. This is the number of ways. Now I have to select the party, now I have to select another party in which she will come at, which will come in top 3. अब इन टॉप 3 में आने के लिए उसको एक पार्टी और चाहिए बी और सी में से. उसको कितने तरीके से सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं? 2C1 से सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. एंड थर्ड पार्टी कितने तरीके से सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं? चलो वो भी 2C1 होगा. ठीक है. अब जो सेकंड पार्टी सेलेक्ट हुई है आपके पास, ठीक है, जो सेकंड पार्टी सेलेक्ट हुई है, कैन आई से वो सेकंड रैंक पे भी आ सकती है और थर्ड रैंक पे भी आ सकती है. एट एनी प्लेस इट कैन कम. So there are further 2 combinations possible for this placement only. 2 into 2 4 ways. अब जो थर्ड पार्टी बची, वो या 4th प्लेस पे आएगी या वो 5th प्लेस पे आएगी. उसके लिए फिर से 2 तरीके जगह बच गई. 2C1. अब मेरे पास 2 पार्टीज बच गई, D and E. D and E are the 2 parties left, and one of them has to come here and one of them has to come here. and both of them can be arranged in further two ways, either at this spot or this spot or this spot or this spot can be, मतलब एक बार select करने के बाद दो तरीके हैं. So there are two ways in which I can distribute further and two ways in which I can arrange it further. ठीक है, two ways. और if you are finding this confusing, सिर्फ ऐसा सोच लो कि अब जो दो पार्टीज बची डी और ई, उनके लिए कोई दो स्पॉट्स हैं मेरे पास. ठीक है, तो या तो डीई यहाँ पे आ सकती है या डीई यहाँ पे आ सकती है, ये सेकंड और थर्ड रैंक पे, या फिर फोर्थ और फिफ्थ रैंक पे. डीई डीई डी, अगर यहाँ सेकंड और फोर्थ सेलेक्ट करूंगा, सेकंड और फिफ्थ, थर्ड और फोर्थ, थर्ड और फिफ्थ, तो बेसिकली चार तरीके और आएंगे मेरे पास जिसमें मैं उनको सेलेक्ट कर सकता हूँ पार्टीज को. So what are these total number of ways? 3 into 2, 6 into 2, 12 into 2, 24 into 2, 48 into 2, 96 ways. So there are 96 ways possible for this scenario. And let's talk about the last scenario. If two are losing and one is winning. So in this side, see, अभी मैंने जब दो जीत रहे थे, उसी में एक केस ऐसा था कि जब वो कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था. अगर दो पार्टीज हार गई और एक पार्टी 500 वाली फर्स्ट रैंक पे भी आ गई, तो she will get 2500, which means there is zero way for this. So the total number of ways are 10 into 96 plus 12, or 10 into 108, or 1080 ways are total ways. This is my required answer for this. A very good question then on PNC. 1080 is the required answer. Now, let's discuss the last question. What is the last question? The last question is, Varsha bets on B, C and D but lost the money. What is the least numerical value of the sum of the ranks of party A and D? And I have to consider the data from previous question, which means that C cannot come on second. It is not mandatory for C to come on second. So there are 5 parties, A, B, C, D, E. So she has invested the money on these 3 parties and lost the money. Okay, and she has lost the money. Then what is the least numerical value of the sum of rank of A and D? So ranks possible are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any way I can give these two minimum 1 and 2 or 2 and 1 and can do something? Let us say उन्होंने दोबारा कंसीडर, देखो 500 500 लगाने, 500 500 and 500. लेट अस से मैंने इस पार्टी को रैंक दिया अगर 500, अगर इसको मैंने फर्स्ट रैंक दे दिया तो वैसे ही 2500 गेन हो जाएंगे, तो वो तो मेरा केस वही खत्म हो जाएगा. शी हैज टू लूज मनी. लेट अस से मैंने इसको सेकंड रैंक दिया, डी पार्टी को मैंने सेकंड रैंक दिया बिकॉज मिनिमाइज करना है, तो कितना मिला 1000. शी विल गेट 1000. Now if I give this party rank 4 and this party rank 5, can I say she will only get 1000 rupees? She made a bet of 1500, she is getting only 1000, which means she is losing the money. Now second, fourth and fifth rank are allotted. Let me give first to this and third to this. In this way I have allotted first rank to A and second rank to D. Minimum sum possible is 3 and still she is losing money. So in this way I can complete it. So again, this is one possible case. So this completes my set, one of the very good sets on PNC. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, kindly please subscribe to our channel. And at the end, if you wish to be the part of this legacy, join us as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.